In this video, you'll learn how to deposit funds into your OKX account using GCash. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer Philippine pesos into your trading account, enabling you to start trading quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. Once the app is fully loaded, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Assets option. This will take you to the section where you can manage your funds and view your current balances. Next, look for the Deposit button within the Assets section and tap on it. This action will prompt you to choose the type of deposit you wish to make. Select Fiat Deposit from the available options, which will allow you to deposit traditional currency into your account. After that, you will need to choose your currency, scroll through the list, and select PHP or Philippine Peso as your preferred currency for the deposit. This selection is crucial as it ensures that your funds are processed in the correct currency. Now it is time to select your payment method. Look for the option labeled GCash or local bank/e-wallet. Tap on GCash to proceed with this payment method. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Ensure that the amount you enter is within your available balance in GCash and is compliant with any limits set by OKX. Once you have entered the desired amount, you will see payment instructions or a QR code displayed on the screen. Open your GCash app on your... Depending on the instructions provided, tap either pay/scan QR or send money. If a QR code is presented, use the scanning function in GC to scan the code directly. After scanning, or if you are sending money manually, enter the amount you wish to deposit along with any reference code if prompted. This reference code is important for ensuring that your payment is correctly attributed to your OKX account. Once all the details are confirmed, proceed to confirm the payment within the GCash app. Now that you have completed the payment, you will need to wait for the deposit to process. This usually occurs instantly, but in some cases it may take a few minutes. To confirm that your deposit has been successful, return to the OKX app, navigate back to the Assets section, and then select Balance to see your updated account balance reflecting the recent deposit.